May third impeachment complaint versus Vice President Sara Duterte na naman. Matindi to mga guys. Marami na nagko-complain. Mga iba't ibang sektor, iba-ibang mga grupo na mga tao sa buong Pilipinas. Matindi pati yung pare nagko-complain o nagpapala ng impeachment laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Matindi to. Ito ang bibigyan natin ng reaction ngayon reaction video, komentaryo, question, criticism, kung ano man inyong mga saloobin dyan, pwede rin naman kayo mag-comments dyan. Okay mga guys, so ito ay galing kay hindi tayo nagbabalita, kundi hindi rin tayo nagtumutulig sa neutral tayo, no? Kumbaga reaction lang to, no? O komentary, opinion. Okay, so itong balita na to galing kay ABS-CBN News. So bibigyan natin ng ng reaction. So kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel guys please like and subscribe na lang muna sa ating YouTube channel bago tayo mag-umpisa. Okay, umpisa na natin to.
Filipino Catholic priests join a third batch of complainants who are seeking the impeachment of Philippine Vice President Sara Duterte. They say it's their moral obligation to oust her from office after she failed to explain how she spent millions in confidential funds.
Yun.
Paige Javier has tonight's top story.
A day after Congress adjourned for the holidays, a third impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte was filed before the House of Representatives.
Yun.
Among the complainants are Catholic priests from the Diocese of Novaliches.
Teka. Tignan nyo mga guys tignan nyo Maraming mga nagko-complain na, hindi lang mga tao Ito, babasahin ko sa inyo Ito, priest from the Diocese of Novaliches Order Carmelites Congregation of Mission. Ito yung mga pare nag-complain ng third impeachment complaint kay Vice President Sara. Ayan, at isa pa, ito pa isa pang nagko-complain ng third impeachment complaint founder of Stop Corruption Philippines. Mga non-government employee to mga guys nagsampa na rin ng impeachment laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. At isa pa ito, founder members of Stand Up for God Rosary Group. Founder of Stop Corruption Philippines. Union of People Lawyers in Mindanao. Pati ba naman yung magrupo ng mga abogado sa Mindanao ay nagsampa na rin ng third impeachment complaint laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Matindi to, no? Halos lahat sa buong Pilipinas na talagang nakakaalam na kung anong ginawa ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Kasi ang issue dito mga guys, yung hindi maipaliwanag ni Vice President Sara Duterte kung saan napunta yung kanyang confidential funds sa DepEd at sa Office of the Vice President niya. Hindi niya may paliwanag. Doon nagtataka. Kaya nga maraming katanungan ang mga taong bayan kung bakit ganun. Hindi niya maipaliwanag ng maganda. So kung ano-ano pa daw ang ginagawa niya, kung ano-ano mga papapansin ng ginagawa niya, para malis lang siguro ang utak ng tambayan sa kanyang mga ginagawa. Sige, diretso pa natin.
Order of Carmelites and Congregation of Mission, the Union of People's Lawyers in Mindanao, and other non-government organizations.
Yun.
We do this for the Filipino people. These are ordinary priests. These are ordinary lawyers bound by a common cause to uphold the law and to hold accountable the Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines.
We believe BP Sara committed something illegal and something immoral against the Filipino people. For us, thou shalt not kill, thou shalt not steal, thou shalt not bear false witness.
The complaint was endorsed by Camarines.
Yung kanina nagsalita priest yun, pare.
Sur 3rd District Representative Gabriel Bordado Jr. and Deputy Minority Leader Aambis OWA Party List Representative Lex Anthony Colada.
Citing culpable violation of the Constitution.
Yun.
We are also invoking betrayal of public trust,
Yun.
plunder, malversation, technical malversation,
Yun.
and bribery.
Just like the first two
So, ang daming ipapasang kaso ng mga non-government organization, NGO, maraming kaso ang ipapasok nila sa korte sa impeachment complaint laban kay Vice President Sara. So, matindi to. Talagang dapat masagot ni Vice President Sara Duterte yung pangatlo na ngayon, matindi to. Ngayon lang nangyari yata to, no? Isang opisyal ng pamahalaan, halos lahat ng grupo sa Pilipinas talagang against yata sa kanya. Malupit. Isa pa to,
complaints against Sara Duterte, the grounds are related to the alleged misuse of the confidential funds amounting to 125 million pesos from the Office of the Vice President in 2022
Yun.
and 112.5 million pesos in the Department of Education in 2023.
Yun.
The complaint alleged Duterte's failure to provide evidence on how the public funds were spent showed inexcusable negligence.
Yun.
The complaint cited the findings of the House Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability. These include testimonies during the panel's hearing that security officers handled the agency's confidential funds, questionable acknowledgement receipts, and Duterte's continuous failure to submit documentary evidence to justify the confidential expenses.
Yun.
What makes us
Talagang maraming complaint, maraming dapat sagutin si Vice President Sara, no? Tungkol doon sa mga pirma na yan, yung mga pirma kung sino man mga nakasulat doon na wala naman sa PSA, wala naman record sa PSA, ibig sabihin nito bogus lang na pangalan to. Ayun ang dapat sagutin ni Vice President Sara, no? So talagang kaya nga maraming mga organisasyon sa Pilipinas na gustong magsampa ng impeachment complaint laban kay Vice President Sara. Okay. So ito pa galing naman kay Philstar, Philstar News. So tignan pa natin to yung ikatlong impeachment complaint laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte, inihain na sa Kamara. Tignan natin.
a group of complainants. We have priests from the Diocese of Novaliches. We have priests from...
Yun, umulit lang. Pero itong binibigyan natin reaction, video, talagang nakabatay sa mga balita, no? Binibigyan lang natin reaction. Mga guys.
Okay, your name is? Pinky. Ma'am Pinky Tan. Pinky Tam. This is the third complaint. The grounds for the impeachment invoked by the complainants are the following. Number one, culpable violation of the Constitution. We also have the ground bribery. We also have the ground graft and corruption, plunder, malversation, and technical malversation. Ultimately, the ultimate ground is betrayal of public trust.
Sir, sinong nag-endorse na congressman?
It would be Congressman Bordado and Pulyada.
Maybe know the full name of the congressman.
So we have the endorsement of Representative Gabriel Bordado Jr. of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur and Representative Lex Anthony Chris Pulyada, a party list representative.
So bakit sila po yung napili natin endorse or sila ba nag-volunteer? Paano po yung nangyari?
Okay, so as to that, I think we leave that to the complainants and the congressman. But the fact is, we have these two endorsements.
Okay mga guys, nakita man natin sa balita, yung mainit na balita sa ngayon tingnan naman pangatlong impeachment complaint labang kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Talagang napakalupit talaga ng panahon ngayon, no? Marami nang against, marami nang nakakaalam. ng mga Pilipino kung ano nangyayari ngayon sa gobyerno natin. Parang aware na ang mga Pilipino ngayon. Tingnan mo, maraming grupo ng mga tao ang gusto ng ma-impeach si Vice President Sara Duterte. Yan. So, kumpara sa akin doon lang tayo sa tama, siyempre, no. Kumbaga, kung ano ang tama, siyempre doon tayo. So, pwede rin naman kayo mag-react at komentaryo dyan sa baba, mga guys. Okay, basta itong mainit na balita sa ngayon ay ikatlong impeachment complaint labang kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Okay, no, hanggang dito na lang tayo, mga guys. So, sa susunod ulit, tungkol naman sa mainit na balita sa ngayon, lalong-lalo na dito sa Pilipinas. Okay, so kung bago ka pa lang sa akin channel, please like and subscribe and share na lang muna sa ating mga kababayan itong ating video para naman makatulong naman kay algorithm. Okay? So, sa susunod ulit, mga guys.